Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. And as you can see, and as promised, I promised you guys I was going to bring you guys some new content. And this is my first vlog for this year. Actually, I did a vlog a couple of years ago when I first started my channel, but this is my first vlog for the year. So I definitely wanted to bring some interesting things to you guys, be a little bit more engaging. Hopefully you're going to be more engaged with me, just to really grow my channel, transition it from not just cooking and food, but also more of a lifestyle. And that's what I'm going to start with today. So I don't know if you know, YouTube put out some more guidelines, some thresholds that channels have to make. And my channel, as of February 20th, will be affected. I'm not sure how it's going to be affected, but it will be affected because as of right now, I haven't met those thresholds. So if you happen to run across my channel recently and you subscribe, I just want to say thank you. And hopefully, you know, my channel will continue to grow, which it is. It's growing every day. And again, I thank you guys so much. But by February 20th, I may not have reached that certain threshold that you need. So from the beginning, I've always wanted to just build a fun channel about food, about lifestyle, just to really inspire people. And that's really what my plans were for this year. And I did an entire video about it, and you can definitely go check that one out just to give you a little heads up. But I thought it would be a fun way to start my vlog by taking you guys with me on a hike. I've been wanting to hike for the longest, and the last time I tried to hike was back in November, and I live in the LA area, and if you're familiar with the Runyon Canyon, it's been closed down because I guess they wanted to expand the trail. And I hike on the end near Fryman Canyon in the valley. And it's not going to be open. And they said that it wasn't going to be open until January 8th, 2018. And that's, here we are now. So I haven't been down there since November. And I'm hoping that it is finally open because I've been wanting to go for a hike. I love hiking. So, so we're going to go down there. Hopefully it's open, fingers crossed. And I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me and go for a hike. So yeah, so let's go. And I will see you guys when I get there. Okay, bye. Well, the good news is, you guys, it's open, but look at the parking lot. It is a line. I don't know if I'm even going to be able to find park here, or at least not in the next couple of minutes. I don't know. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. So I finally found a park. It wasn't that bad. The beginning incline on this trail is so intense. I'm already out of breath, but it's great because you can feel the burn, which at the end of the day is what you want, and when you know you're really doing something. So I feel so good, and it feels so great to be out here. So let's keep going. Okay, so now I've reached that part of the trail where it levels out and you can begin to catch your breath at this point. But the reason I love this trail so much is because in the beginning, the incline is so steep that you begin to start feeling the burn, which is a good thing. And now it levels out and begin to catch your breath, and you can fast walk, or you can run or jog during this part. But we still have a little bit ways to go, so let's keep going. I'm gonna go up there, and that's another incline, which is another part of the trail where you begin to feel the burn again. highest peak of this trail where you can walk over, catch your breath, and just overlook this amazing view. It's a perfect day to hike. It's not too hot, not too cold, not windy. You can just come up here, clear your head, and take in all of this amazing nature. So this is two separate trails, and there's one over there, and there's one over here. We're going straight ahead. I usually take this trail. So now I had a chance to catch my breath, and you guys, it's so beautiful up here. So this is part of the trail where it's all downhill from here. So I will catch you guys near the bottom of the hill. One thing I am noticing about this is that they filled in a whole lot of these potholes. They were deep ditches at one point where it made it very difficult to climb. You were afraid you were going to fall in, twist your ankle, all kind of stuff. So that's one thing I have noticed about the improvements they've made to this trail, which is a good thing. Okay, I'm finished. So now I'm officially off the trail, and this particular trail takes you through a residential area. So it takes you downhill all the way back to Fryman Canyon Road, and it circles right back to the parking lot from the beginning. So this is the reason why I really love this trail, because it takes you in a complete circle, and it's about, depending on how fast or slow you walk or run or whatever, you want to take time just to catch your breath and sit for a little bit. It's about a good 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, so I will catch you guys back when I get to my car. Okay, bye. Finally made it back, and there's a million parks now, so I came at the wrong time. So now I have to go to Trader Joe's and pick up a couple of things, so I will catch you guys when I get to Trader Joe's. So I just made it back from hiking, and I had to stop at Trader Joe's to pick up a couple of things because I'm gonna make a recipe this week, so I had to pick up a few things. So this is not going to be a part of the recipe, but I like to treat myself to french fries, and these are the french fries that I like to pick up every time I go. So I got some french fries. So I needed some unsalted butter. So I have to pick up some milk. And this will give you a little hint of what I'm going to make for my next recipe. I had to get some pizza dough. I made a pizza using this pizza dough, and this is one of my favorites. So yeah, I had to pick up some pizza dough. I had to pick up a carton of Parmesan cheese. And I wanted to pick up some light shredded mozzarella cheese. And I grabbed one red onion. And I also had to pick up some flour because I'm going to make a white sauce for the pizza. So I needed some flour, so I had to get some flour. So that's it, you guys. So right now I'm going to put together a quick smoothie, and I'm going to make a quick lunch. And it's probably going to be a salad because I love salads. I eat salads all the time. So let me put together my smoothie, and I'll show you my salad once it's done, okay? Bye. Okay, so this is my salad. I just finished it, and it's huge, but I'm starving, and I'm going to enjoy every minute of this. So let me just go over quickly what I have. I have some spinach, I have some arugula, red onion, tomatoes, avocados. I boiled 1 egg. And my vinaigrette is Dijon mustard, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil, salt and pepper. Mix it together and you drizzle it on top, and it's so good. It's my favorite vinaigrette. And my smoothie is strawberries, blueberries, spinach, kale, and water. I just mix it with water. And yeah, this is my lunch. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I will check back with you guys later on. Okay, bye. So I wanted to show you guys, my camera battery is being charged right now, but I wanted to show you my salad, just show you how much I loved it. I killed it. It was so good. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I had to stop for a little bit because I had to charge my camera, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, and I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me, going hiking with me. I had a great time. Like I said earlier, I've been wanting to go since November, but it was closed, so I was so happy that it was back open. And I just feel like just being out in nature and clearing my head, the weather was perfect, so I had a great time. So I hope this vlog is not going to be all over the place. I'm not a great vlogger, but I feel like the more I do it, the more better I'm gonna get, and the more used to vlogging I'm gonna be, just, you know, walking around with my camera. So definitely be looking forward to a lot more vlogs. And so I'm not going to do much more tonight. I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to have for dinner. I don't even know what I'm going to eat. Actually, I'm still stuffed from that big salad that I had earlier. So, and I'm going to settle in and get ready for, you know what, you guys, tonight is Wednesday night, and my guilty pleasure is coming on tonight. And can you guess? Probably can't guess, but my 600-pound life is coming out tonight. That's my guilty pleasure, and I can't be the only one who out there likes my 600-pound life. I love that show. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that tonight. And also, my TV habits are really weird. See No Evil on ID channel. I love that show. And I may check out, you know, that miniseries, that Versace miniseries. I don't know, it started last week, so maybe I'll watch a little bit of that tonight. But yeah, that's about all I'm gonna do. So again, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support, and look out for, again, a lot more videos. And oh, and definitely don't forget to hit that notification, because some people have been coming to me saying that they haven't been seeing my videos, and I keep telling them, have you make sure you have that notification bell clicked on so you don't miss a video. So make sure you click that notification. But again, thank you so much. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. So take care. Bye bye.